Join me as I dive into Great Life Worldwide's new membership program and see if I can really earn big with it. Welcome to this exciting video where we're going to explore the new membership program by Great Life Worldwide, a game changer that's helping people earn a significant income from the comfort of their own homes. It's a program that's been making waves in the online community, and I'm thrilled to share my findings with you. We've all been there, searching for a reliable income opportunity that can help us achieve financial freedom. But let's face it, it's not always easy. We've got scams, get-rich-quick schemes, and programs that promise the world but deliver little to nothing. It's frustrating and it's exhausting. But what if I told you there's a program that's changing the game? One that's built on a foundation of trust, transparency, and results-driven success. The traditional 9-to-5 grind just isn't cutting it for most people. And the reality is that we need something more. We need a system that can provide us with the financial security and freedom we deserve. And that's exactly what this program is designed to do. By addressing the common pain points that hold people back from achieving financial success, Great Life Worldwide's membership program is paving the way for a brighter financial future. One of the biggest challenges people face is finding a program that actually works. One that's not just a flash in the pan. We've all fallen victim to the hype, only to be left disappointed and broke. But Great Life Worldwide is different. They've taken the time to craft a comprehensive program that's built on real-world results, not empty promises. The features of this membership program are truly impressive. Not only do you get access to cutting-edge training and resources, but you also become part of a supportive community that's dedicated to helping each other succeed. And let's not forget about the benefits. From monthly income opportunities to exclusive perks and rewards, this program is designed to help you earn big. The pricing is reasonable, and the success stories from current members are nothing short of incredible. I want to share a story with you about Shelly, a stay-at-home mom who was struggling to make ends meet. She joined the program and, within just a few weeks, started earning a steady income that allowed her to pay off her debt and start saving for her family's future. It's stories like Shelly's that demonstrate the real potential of this program to change lives. But here's the thing, it's not just about the money. It's about the freedom, the security, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've got a reliable income stream. It's about being able to pursue your passions and live the life you've always wanted. And that's exactly what Great Life Worldwide's membership program can offer. In summary, this program is a game changer for anyone looking to earn a significant income from home. With its comprehensive training, supportive community, and impressive benefits, it's no wonder people are raving about it. If you're tired of the same old income struggles and want to start building a brighter financial future, then this program is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you've got any thoughts or questions about Great Life Worldwide's membership program, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about income opportunities and how to achieve financial freedom, be sure to check out my next video for more insights and tips.